Hey, what's happening, my friends? Just a quick video to go through these coins that I've sort of talked about to see where they're at the end of today. Have they pumped? Have they dumped? Is it good time to get in? Is it a good time to get out? Obviously, none of this financial advice. It's just literally me talking about how I'm investing in coins, and it's for you for educational purposes to watch to see if you want to get into it and do it yourself or not. But with that said, let's jump straight into the charts with my first coin. As you can see on the side here is AIOZ. So where is AIOZ today? Well, it has had a bit of a dump today. Well, we say a bit of a dump. It's also done something quite strange here. It's had a pump to a quite a high level, which it wasn't at since probably about 8 o'clock this morning. But we don't want to. We can see AIOZ's on a downtrend. I mean, this is a fairly new coin. It's on a downtrend. Do I think it's a good time to get in? I would wait on this coin. For me personally, obviously you do you and I do me, but we would be looking around about the 1.6 or below. I mean, if it does go below 1.4, that'd be a great time to get in. I believe I got in this coin, and I do hold this one myself. I got in this coin at 1.12. But that was on launch day, and it had a massive rocket. So yeah, this is definitely one to watch, and it is low down. But what we've got to remember with this is it's a new coin, and it's not on an exchange yet. So it's in its early stages. So is now maybe the best time to get in. I mean, do a little bit of research on it, but I don't think you'll be seeing this coin at a low value for very long. With that said, we're going to jump into one of my favourite coins and one of my most hated coins, because you can make a lot of money and not make a lot of money on this coin, is VRA. So let's just click into the chart for VRA. And where is VRA today? It has had a massive turmoil. So it was consolidating here, it's going up, down, and then it had a massive dump. Then we had a price alert here that it dropped to about 3.6 or 3.5, I believe, and then it pumped to 4. I did actually get in on this one. I did actually get a price alert from, and this coin is on Qcoin. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, if you're just wondering where this coin is. I did have a buy-in around about the 3.6 mark on this. I edged a lot of my USTD on it, and I did have a buy, and I did also put a sell at 4 on this and made a nice bit of profit, because I knew pretty much it was as a pump and dump. And as you can see, exactly to the dollar, it went to 0.4, and exactly to the dollar it dropped back down to the same price look as it did before it pumped. So now it's just having a bit of a price consolidation. Where do I think this go? Maybe we're going to be looking at something like this with this coin. We're going to see it sort of maybe consolidate a bit here. It might then just pump down, hit this support, and then gradually go back up. Looking at the way the things, we're looking at higher highs and lower lows, so it might only reach about here. But this coin's so unpredictable. I mean, this is one, if you're looking to get into this coin, like I look to get into this coin, you really got to watch it and really look for the best entry price on this. We don't want anyone that follows this channel getting wrecked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at a bit more of these coins. I'm going to do a round cap at the end of my next video, because these videos are going to be daily. I'm going to try and do one in the morning, one in the evening, so we can sort of, like, obviously we're all here to try and make money. We want to try and get into these coins early on in the day, and then seeing how they perform, seeing good entries and good exits, and then obviously taking it from there. So we'll keep an eye on VRA, and we'll see where's good and where's not to get in. So the last coin, and I'm sorry if I'm rushing through this, but obviously I need to get this out for you so the prices are still quite current. ANKR, Anchor. Now, I already know about this. I've been watching this for a while now, and it's a coin for me personally, and like I say, it's not financial advice, but it's a coin I am going to get into. I'm already into it, actually, but I'm going to fill my bags up more, ready for this one to leave the station, because if you have a look at on how this has been performing, it was all the way up here, look, at 0.18, and then it's just been on a gradual decline. We had a couple of times where we tested resistance here and it got rejected. It bounced off support. It didn't quite have the legs, and then boom, it's dropped down. So you can see from my chart here, I've got 1, 2, 3 lines, and these are obviously, the top one was the support. The next one down was one of my buy-ins, and you can see it's obviously hit there. It's obviously gone a bit below, but these lines were put in way back, like here, for kind of support there, but they're coming true now. And then depending whether this shoots to the upside or it shoots to the downside, if it breaks down, we're looking for it to then bounce off this one, and then this will be another buying opportunity. And then hopefully once, because Anchor is obviously, it's a really popular coin. I think if we have a look at Anchor on here, it is 98, so it's in the top 100 coins. So I mean, it is a really good coin. It's got a market cap of over like $1 billion. It's got a great potential. Obviously you can see for the past 30 days it's had a 300, the 14 days 109, but the last 7 days it's been lagging 24 hours. So opinions vary on this one. For me personally, I see a coin lag like that and I see it as a buy opportunity. I see it as like a fire sale. This coin's on sale. Other people panic and start selling off and think that coin's had its day, but no one wants to buy a coin that's already pumped, right? So Anchor's definitely one to keep your eye on. So yeah, that's the pretty much rundown of the 3 coins that I talked about earlier. And obviously I couldn't get the video straight out to YouTube because I had some editing problems, so I just posted it in my groups. So sorry about that. This one is going to hopefully get up to YouTube. My channel's quite new because obviously I have a lot of people in certain groups that I try and show how I'm doing cryptocurrency, because it is one of my passions. I do spend a lot of time looking at how these projects work, how these projects are put together, how these coins are handled. I'm learning sort of, or looking at the technical analysis on these coins every day, because a lot of people are getting into this crypto market and they're just saying this coin's pumping, get into this, but they're not actually looking at the charts or the technical analysis to see how this coin's performing, or if it's pumping, whether it's had its day and it's going to come drop back down to have a little bit of a hibernation before it has a retest, or if it's literally just consolidating, ready to shoot to the moon. And that's hopefully what we're going to be doing on this channel. We're going to look at this. We're not going to waffle you with, oh, get this affiliation or get this, none of that rubbish, because obviously I'm not really on it to make money, so I'm not really here to like say get into this, get into that. Obviously people do videos, I'm not going to lie to you, people do videos and we do make money out of it, but majority of the money is made in crypto, because if I'm good at what I'm saying, or if I'm okay at what I'm doing and I put it on the video, you're going to be making loads of money from the crypto, as sure I am anyway. So yeah, bear that in mind. But what I would need to say is, before I go, is please do your risk assessment. I mean, manage your risk really well. Never put into crypto what you can't afford to lose, because crypto is very volatile, very risky, but it can be very rewarding. And at the end of the day, we want this to be an enjoyable experience. Crypto can be fun, you know, it's good. It's like we all love buying and selling and being traders and being stuff like this. So let's keep that fun. But with that said, I hope you all have a great evening, and I'll speak to you tomorrow.